Everybody. Well, as far as the provincial government is concerned, with respect to the safety of our fisher folks, we have distributed actually thousands of life vests to our fishermen. Sadly, there are incidents wherein they don't use it and eventually go fishing. And we have been relentlessly doing awareness campaign regarding especially if we have unfavorable sea weather condition. So, lahat barangay officials, our PNP, our BFP, and other security forces, Coast Guard, PNP Maritime, they disseminate the information to all our fisher folks. But again, they choose to ignore the warnings and they venture out and then suddenly we receive a report that there is a missing fisherman and syempre, the sea weather condition is not favorable. The Coast Guard and all our other RDRMOs cannot launch a search and rescue operations because that will compromise also their safety. We request air access immediately from the Philippine Air Force, but of course, we know the situation. Sometimes hindi rin sapat yung ating capability as far as air access are concerned. But I think this will be addressed by the AFP modernization program of the national government. In fact, mas marami ng dumating na nakagalitan ng AFP. But more importantly, we go to the basic to prevent, to enforce our laws regarding yung pagpunta sa dagat na na masama yung weather condition. We have also trained a lot of lifeguards. But syempre, may mga nakakaano pa rin, gusto na pumunta sa dagat dahil sa mga panahon. But we're trying our best. This is a concerted effort of all concerned from the barangay officials, kasi sila yung nandun sa area mismo, barangay tanons, our city and municipal and provincial officials, our PNP, our BFP, Coast Guard, PNP Maritime, Marines, and all other agencies, PFAR also. And of course also our provincial health officers and city and municipal health officers. With the NDRMO Pasuki. Immediately nag-respond naman sila. Actually, we visited them during one of the operations. And nakikita naman natin na nandun sila sa area. Nag-establish sila ng incident command post. Nandun lahat yung mga sub personnel natin. Siguro may mga may mga concerns lang siguro that they cannot immediately address. But rest assured that all of our DRMOs are doing well their job. And if ever may mga pagkukulang, we hope to address all of them